DIY is a little Easter bucket, so kids can go looking for the Easter eggs in our Easter egg hunt we're going to do around the garden this year. Now this little tin bucket was from IKEA, so it's a soccer. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to decorate it probably about halfway with the twine, just wrap it around to give it a nice sort of neutral farmhousey rustic look, so it's not all shiny and silver. And then I've got these little tiles that are from a game that I no longer play. It was pieces have gone missing, etc. So I've got them. Oops. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to stick them on with the words Hoppy Easter with these nice bright colours. Now I'm not sure whether I'm going to stick them on the top or whether I'll stick them on the twine itself, or whether I just might do the twine around the middle and do the letters on that. I think that'll look good. And then to assist that, I've got my glue gun, stick the twine on, and I've got my scissors. I'll speed up the video while I put the twine around the tin, and then I'll put it back to normal speed as I put the letters on. And there we have our twine wrap tin, and I love the contrast of the twine against the silver tin. It looks fab. And now what we're going to do is we're going to stick on our happy little Easter bits. So first of all, we're going to do the hoppy at the top first of all. Now these are octagonal, makes them a little bit difficult to stick on because you've got to get all the bits. But you could use stamps if you've got stamps. Or if you've got some Scrabble tiles, you could use those as well. They would make really good ones, because you can get all different coloured Scrabble tiles as well, which is fab. You can get the wooden ones, the plastic cream ones, you can get plastic black ones as well. So all different colours. And like I said, or you could stamp it if you have letter stamps or word stamps. You could ink that up and give it a good stamp. And if it doesn't stamp onto the twine, another option it could be you could put a bit of material or felt or something, just a little cutout on there, and then you could stamp onto that, and that would look fab too. So that's the first few done of the first letters. There we go, there's the Y. And I started with the middle letter just so that it's just easier to space out either side. And what I've done with these selection of letters, I do have a number of other ones which you might see come up in future DIYs depending on what I do. But they're all different colours. So I've tried to select a good mix of the colours for this DIY. And picking colours that are kind of speak Easter and spring-like to me. So I like the red because it is bright. But this blue and the yellow and the green, I think, look really fab and have kind of Easter colours to it. Oh, a little bit of glue over there. Nothing that we can't just scratch off. There we go. So that's the top bit, hoppy, and then I'm going to put the Easter bit underneath. Now, there's equal numbers of these, so I'm going to put it slightly angled, but using the middle P at the top as a guide. So dabbing the glue round as we did before. Oh, it feels like that S is upside down. That looks better. So I'm just going to put that to one side so it roughly meets up in the middle of that P. I'm going to do the S as well just to line it up. Sorry, the T. That's good. Okay, and then just putting the 2 letters either side. And the last one. There we go. As I said, I'm going to use this I'm going to use this bucket for a Easter egg hunt, but you could put in some nice foliage, some flowers, and have it around the house as a nice sort of neutral style, but with a little bit of brightness that Easter should bring. Okay, Poppy Easter tin for eggs.